welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Loko Loves here. I hope you're all good. Yeah, so today we are going to do a cloth and paper subscription unboxing. I have tried, so normally I watch all the reels, all the videos, etc, but just to film, like, I don't know, I guess my reaction, I haven't looked at anything, so I'm very excited. And obviously I'm from London, so I'm assuming that all the international girls, we get ours later than everyone else. So this is what it looks like. So I think the February one, no, the January one was like this. So I've got a what's inside card, so I'm not even going to look at that. What's this? This is where you could be receiving, oh, okay, pencil. I don't do the penspiration, so I don't need that. And then, ooh, I love stickers. Okay, so we've got icon stickers, we've got activity stickers, hopefully you can see that, and they are 1 of 3. There's 70 stickers. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, I don't want to open them. Oh, I love this. Oh, so the wellness sticker set. Do you know what? Let's open them. Let's open them. Let's see. What's inside? I'm trying to rush because I've actually literally got somewhere to be. So, do you know what? We're just gonna rip it. Okay, so here's the first one, activity stickers. We've got oh wow, okay, I'm glad I opened it now. We've also got wellness text stickers, if you can see that. Sorry about the glare. We've got and job stickers. Oh, and they're for hydration, I guess, like water drops they're supposed to be for. Lovely. Love. Oh gosh, these nails. I have got an appointment this week. I've got a nail appointment this week, so I will stop going on about my nails. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. This is what I wanted. It's literally what I've needed. I was going to do a cloth and paper order, and I was like, do you know what? Stop. Don't order anything yet, because you don't know what's going to come in the box. So, this is a pouch. And I guess you can do what you want with it. It's clear, which I love. Oh my gosh, with clasps. So, let's see what it says. Essentials pouch. Love that. Love. Love. Okay, and then in the main pack, ooh, this is exciting. I know one thing for sure. I know there's going to be like an overview, like the today pad, but I know for a fact that's in there. Okay, so oh my gosh, I'm actually so excited. Oh, journaling cards. So we've got the May calendar card, which the calendar cards are like one of my favorite things. Is that sad? The calendar cards is one of my favorite things. So we've got the May calendar card, and what does this say? Different people. I am made and remade continually. Different people draw different words from me. Oh, that's lovely. And this is like not normal, like not normal, not like it's not like the normal ones. Like the texture of it is really soft. I don't know what material that is, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna open these like a bush girl because I don't have time. Oh, another calendar card. Oh, window cling. Okay, I see. So you can peel it and stick it onto like windows or mirrors and stuff. Love. And then we've got, oh, okay, half sticky notes. So, and these are wellness trackers. So stretch, hydrate, and screen. Again, sorry about the glare, but these I'm not going to unpack yet. I'm just going to leave them in the pack. And then, okay, this is a pad, a weekly overview pad. There's a lot in this box already. I like this. I really, really like this. I'm going to have a think about what I'm going to use this for, and I'll probably do a video on it. Okay. A wellness dashboard. So we can have a whole section dedicated to that in the planner. And then another wellness dashboard. So I'll probably layer that just below it. And then these are wellness inserts, daily wellness bundle. So I'm just going to open these up and we can have a look. I literally have somewhere to be. My sister would kill me if she knew that I was doing this right now. Okay, so first, I was a bit crumpled. Don't like that. Growth doesn't always feel like you're winning. I love that quote. Okay. So yeah, this is a wellness log, so I guess you can log this however you want to. Let's see. Yeah, they're all different. So these are wellness logs. These are daily wellness inserts. So you can track your goals, your water, sleep, affirmations, nutrition. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just ordered like printables from Etsy with basically this. Oh, okay, and the, oh, I see. So it's just those two things. So that's really good. I will make use of that, especially the nutrition bit and with the calories as well. That's very good. I really hope this comes out okay, because the way that I'm recording this, I actually can't see the screen, and this is what I was looking forward to. So in my work planner, I've got a today. I've got the cloth and paper today one. Excuse me. I've got the cloth and paper today one. So now I have the overview one, which I'll just use for my weeks. Or, well, we'll see. There's so much I can do with this and where to place it. So just to backtrack a little bit, we've got, again, hopefully you can see it or see how good this looks. The overview tab, top tab divider. Then we have the wellness inserts, and I will probably do a video to show how I use that. And if I do, I can't see myself not doing it, because they do look amazing. And that will probably be actually part of my nighttime routine. And then we've got a well-being dashboard with, oh, in the back, I like that. I like the back. I didn't even clock that before. It's really nice. Another wellness dashboard. A week overview. Again, sorry about the glare. A week overview desk pad. And I'm really excited about this. There's so much you can do with it. With like a focus, you could use it for like a cleaning schedule, or like exercise or food. Like you can focus it on like one thing and use it, because I feel like my horizontal weeklies are becoming a bit oversaturated. So that's really nice. I really like that. And then these wellness trackers, half sticky notes which are good for tracking, and you can colour them in and fill them in. I like this. I like all of it. It's so good. This I will stick on a mirror. And we have this so much, and it's all so good. This, you need to have it to feel it. It just feels so nice. So you know the texture. And then our May calendar card, which I just love the calendar cards. Oh my gosh, I love everything. This pouch, essentials pouch, and wellness sticker sets. And that, I believe, is everything. So I'm gonna leave it there and call it a day. I've got stuff to do right now. So if you like the video, like it. Let me know how you want to see these. Obviously I've got a subscription, so let me know what you want to see, and if you want to see what I use and the way I use it. And also if you've got any ideas of how you want these videos structured, then do let me know. Okay, subscribe if you haven't done so already, like the video if you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.